What is up, YouTubers? This is Callie1, and I'm here with Amber.
Hi!
And we are on Belle Isle in Detroit, and we are at the Storyteller Bridge, which is an abandoned bridge on Belle Isle. What is up, YouTubers? What is up, YouTubers? This is Callie1, and I'm here with Amber.
Hi!
And we are on Belle Isle in Detroit, and we are at the Storyteller Bridge, which is an abandoned bridge on Belle Isle. As you can see, it's a pretty cool bridge with a ton of graffiti, and we are going to be shooting here and just taking a couple portraits and seeing what we can get. And then we'll be on to the next location. We're going to shoot about 3 or 4 locations, the abandoned bridge, maybe an abandoned building, and then hopefully some other spots we'll find. All right, let's go. So we just wrapped up the first spot.
I got a mosquito bite.
Uh-oh. That won't show up on film though.
Photoshop it out.
Yeah. So we just wrapped up at the first spot. And then we're going to move on to the next spot, and we got to watch out for the muddy water.
Oh, that one's squishy. Where am I gonna go?
I don't know, and I got a mosquito.
I'm gonna go this way.
Maybe. All right, let's watch this.
I got it.
Oh, she's got it. And
Big
a little
fat.
squish. All right, so we'll move on to the next spot, and we'll get some more photos done. Hopefully, won't be chasing light too much.
Yes.
Yes.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah. What is up, y'all? We are at the second spot.
The hot spot.
The hot spot. We just picked, we're driving around Belle Isle, and we just found a little section of weeds.
And we
And-
said to jump in.
And I asked her to jump in them, and she's just gonna jump in them, get low to the ground, and show you sort of what it looks like. Just gonna drop down, and then we're gonna shoot through the weeds at her, obviously with a little more zoom, and then hopefully the sun comes up a little bit more and we can get some of that
Maybe
light
scoot
on her
back?
face. Yeah,
Into it?
but
No, out here. We
You're
out
good.
here.
we out here.
Alright.
You're good. And so we're just shooting from low perspectives through the weeds at her, and we're literally at the corner of an intersection. on Belle Isle, just in a random spot.
I'm
Sometimes
checking
that's all you need. Yeah, face check. All right, so we're gonna take a couple photos and then we'll move on to the next location. So we just wrapped up shooting in these weeds. Doing a little tick check. Make sure we're not coated in ticks. We're gonna move to the next place. Obviously the bra's off my head now, and we are ready to go on to the next spot. All right, so we are gonna shoot at the next spot, and just a tip, we have Amber here in this lovely robe. Do a little spin for us.
Yay!
This is the
Instant
changing
change.
robe. I use that. I bring it out on shoots. It allows me to go anywhere with a bag of clothes and that thing, and they can throw it on and change, and no one's the wiser. It's excessively big, it's warm, and it basically is a mobile changing station. So I would recommend picking one up. I got mine on Amazon. I have several of them. And look, she's getting undressed and you can't even tell. Although she's somewhat shy about it.
It's hot.
It's very hot.
Okay.
It's a sexy outfit. You can take off the hood now.
There we go.
That'll help you get the top
There
off.
we go.
See?
Woo!
And then just like that. And I've done this
So
like in the middle of the city with people walking around. I mean, they literally can't see it or see anything or tell what's going on. Like, she has no pants on right now and you can't even tell. So pick one up. She's gonna change and then we're gonna shoot at the next spot. So now we are at the hammer looking art piece behind me. We're gonna shoot here and see what we can put together. She is dressed in a 90s jacket-ish windbreaker, and we're gonna see what we can put together. With her hair up, looking like a 90s rap video dancer. All right, so we're gonna shoot this hammer looking thing.
Alright, I'm gonna
Just party like it's 1999.
do my running man.
Yeah, your shuffle.
Oh my god, that's a
Big hole.
What the fuck? There's a hole there.
All right, that's where the nail used to be.
Yeah. Obviously.
Say
Alright,
peace.
so what's up?
Say peace.
Check out my video, yo.
So we just finished shooting hammer and sickle.
Oh yeah.
That's not Russian.
I know.
Mine was bad too, but we just finished shooting at the hammer and sickle, and I think we got some cool stuff in this outfit.
I got a sneak peek.
Yeah. In that outfit, and now we're moving on to the next location, and we're gonna get some more photos in. Hopefully we got a little bit of light left,
Gonna change on the way.
and we're gonna change on the way.
Making it.
Yeah, because we need that extra couple moments so we can get enough light, because we're going inside an abandoned building, and those lose light quicker than the outside does. So we'll see what we can get. All right, later. So we pulled up to Belle Isle, or the beach at Belle Isle, and there is sun going on, which is cool. Getting that close to that golden hour, and then also because of the high level of the water right now, there is like a small pond off the beach that's pretty wide, and so she's just changing really quickly, and we're going to try and do some reflection shots in the water, and with the sunset behind her, hopefully the pool will glow orange and colors and sunsetty colors, and I think it's going to be really cool. We just spotted it, and hopefully we can get this in and it'll work out. If not, we'll move on. And you know, sometimes we had a plan to go to abandoned building next, but we saw this spot, and this is too good to pass up and try, and we'll see what we can get. All right, let's go. And she also has on this bodysuit that's metallic looking and reflective, and so hopefully that'll help, and we'll just see what we can do, because look at the sun right now, how it's peeking through the clouds. Just looks super dope.
This is so
And the water's glowing orangish, and
I'm in my cloak.
and she's in her cloak, and we're gonna see what we can get. So we just finished shooting. This is the pond that has formed at the beach. So what's great about it is it's very still. So we're using this as a reflecting pool, and we were shooting with the sunset behind us. Hopefully it all worked out. We think we got some really good stuff, maybe some cool silhouettes, and all right, it was a good day. Amber killed it.
We got wet, we went swimming.
Yeah, I got muddy and sandy, but that's the price you got to pay for teamwork and doing what needs to be done. All right.
And this also doubles as a towel.
Yes. She was able to dry off in that and wipe the sand and water off me. So now we're packing up and we're gonna head back to the car and call it a day. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
As always, like, subscribe, comment, maybe turn on notifications if you feel like it, and we'll see you next time.